Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Love. S plus struck. Struck. Love struck. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car. As we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene, and hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome once again to Classic Concentration. The man on my right. I'll start with him because he won the game on yesterday's program. He also picked up $3,344 in prizes. This is Staff Sergeant Greg Street of the United States Air Force.
Nice to meet you,
Welcome back, Greg.
Thank you.
I see you're wearing a wedding ring. You've got a bride somewhere?
Yes, I do. I have a wife. She's out here in the audience.
And
her name is Ruby. And I have my two children here also, Dorothy and Laura.
How old are they?
Dorothy is 4 and Laura is 5.
4 and 5 years old. Isn't that great? Well, it's nice that they're here to watch Dad win some prizes. Evelyn Paul is his opponent in this game, ladies and gentlemen. Let's make her feel welcome. Evelyn, good to have you back. Now, you too are wearing some rings. Do you have a family, and are they here?
Well, actually, my husband is not here. He's serving in the Persian Gulf.
Oh.
But my mother, my father, my sister-in-law, Carla, and my great-grandmother, well, actually, my in-laws, grandmother, she's
That's
here.
right. So you've got a cheering section, too?
Yes.
Well, then let's go to work and win some prizes. Check it out over here. One of the prizes in Game 1.
You've had a white Christmas and your wallet is light. So come to an island where the sun shines bright. Nassau, Bahamas! We'll fly you in a convention from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Miami. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 5 nights at Nassau's DV Bahamas Beach Resort, a sports enthusiast paradise on the other side of Nassau. You'll enjoy golf, tennis, windsurfing, or scuba diving, where barefoot elegance becomes a way of life. Alex.
Thank you, Gene and Evelyn and Greg. Take a look on the board. Here's where you'll find the holiday at number 8. Evelyn, you get to pick first. You have 1 strike against you, so this game you must win.
Okay, let's go to the middle of the board at number 13.
Red take.
And let's see if we can find the natural match or the wild card under number 20.
Wild card, so you're going to get the take right off the bat, just like that. The other red take is at number 10. In applauding herself, Evelyn knocked her bracelet off. Maybe that's a good omen. Let's open 3 doors and see.
Merry Christmas.
Is it Merry Christmas? Nope, so you get to pick again.
Okay, let's see if we can find the trip under number 16.
Complete power tool set.
And let's look at number 8.
Nassau, Bahamas Resort Vacation. Greg?
Ooh. Okay, let's take a look at number 18.
Leather garment bag.
And let's take a look at number 15.
No, artwork there. Evelyn, back to you.
Okay, let's see if we can find the match, or let's see if we can find under number 1.
Well, we'll find a silver buffet service there. Now, you match it up.
And let's look under number 15.
Artwork again. Greg?
Okay, let's see if we can find that trip under number 22.
Artwork.
And the match under number 15.
Yes, we've seen it a couple of times there, so we're about due to make that match. It goes up here and down here. 2 doors open for Greg. Pick again, Greg.
Okay, let's see if we can find that trip or a wild card under number 11.
Armoire.
Okay. And let's see if we can make a match for the armoire on number 4.
Leather garment bag. No match for you. A possibility for Evelyn.
Okay, let's see what's under number 6.
5 diamond necklace.
Let's see if we can find the wild card for that under number 24.
Wild card is there. The other necklace, right next to it at number 23. 3 panels opening up for Evelyn. Oh, wait a minute. You want to use the
I'll save it.
All right, gonna save it. Almost forgot there. Open these 3 panels for Evelyn. Go again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 7.
10 speed bikes for 2.
And we haven't seen that prize for the bikes. Let's look under number 16.
Complete power tool set. This time no match for Evelyn, so we go to Greg.
Okay, let's take a look under the bottom at number 25.
Computer.
Oh, that'd be nice. And let's see if we can make the match at number 3.
Wild card for you. The computer. Natural match would have occurred at number 12, so another prize for Greg's column and 3 panels opening up for his benefit. Pick again.
Okay, let's take a look at number 1.
Silver buffet service.
Let's see if there's a match at number 2.
Nassau, Bahamas Resort Vacation. Evelyn?
Okay. Was the trip under number 8?
Yes.
And number 2, please.
Number 2 is right. Well done. Now, Evelyn, you've got the tape. He's got the computer.
I'm going to save this for the Bahamas holiday.
All right. You want to protect that vacation? Open these 2 panels for Evelyn Paul. Select again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 5.
Armoire.
11.
Yes. Another match for you. More of the puzzle is going to be exposed now, Evelyn. Do you want to reconsider and use your take?
Oh,
Are you getting close to a solution?
I wish I was.
Well, you want to pass on it now?
I'm gonna have to save it.
All right. She doesn't feel confident enough to use it just now, so these 2 doors will open. Evelyn, can you solve it? Pick again.
Okay, let's see what's under number 14.
Green take.
4?
No, that's a leather garment bag. Greg, you're alive again.
Yes, I am. Let's take a look into number 17.
Silver buffet service.
And was the match under number 1?
Yes, for the silver buffet service. That goes up there. 2 doors open for Greg Street.
Is it frankly speaking?
Frankly speaking, he says. And Greg has done it again. And Greg gets to go to the board.
Okay, right here we have a Frank, and this is General Lee. So it's Frank Lee. We have an S and the peak and the king. Speaking. Frankly speaking.
Congratulations to you. Nicely done. Evelyn, darn. 2 strikes against you. Sorry about that. We've got some gifts for you backstage.
It's okay.
Happy New Year to you, Evelyn. Take
Thank
care.
you.
All right, Greg. We're going to go to Gene now, and he's going to tell you about your winnings. Your family got very excited when you won this game. Gene?
Artwork, published by Ron Siegel Galleries, Los Angeles and Seattle, an impressive graphic titled Jackson Square, originally created by artist Watanabe. This limited edition serograph is numbered and hand-signed by the artist and furnished by Ron Siegel Galleries, and a silver buffet service. Part of the Michael C. Fina collection, this elegant silver plate buffet service. 5 service pieces to make you the envied hostess, furnished by the Michael C. Fina Company, and a computer. The Apple IIe personal computer for business, learning, or fun with built-in keyboard, disk drive, and standard 128K memory. A prize package totaling $2,936.
Pushing you over the $6,000 mark, Greg, and when we return, you could, of course, do better than double that by winning a brand new car after these messages. 15 numbered squares. Let's put them up there, and the clock will go to 40 seconds for you, Greg. Good luck. Go to work.
1, 2,
No.
4, 5,
Nope.
6, 3,
No.
7, 8,
No.
6, 9,
No.
10, 3,
No.
2, 7,
No.
10, 2,
Right.
11, 6,
No.
5, 12,
No.
7, 12,
Yep.
13, 6,
Nope.
13, 5,
Right.
14,
just couldn't get rolling on that one. You were off to such a bad start. There were no matches at all. For a while, I thought we might have had 15 different cars up there. But that's all right. You've got $6,280 in prizes, and you'll come back and play in our next game, and we'll have that next game after this. New player to welcome to our show, and she's smiling. She has the smile and the look of a contestant who's been waiting a long time to get out here. Am I right, Beth Ann Staub?
I'm certainly looking forward. It's a pleasure to meet you.
Thank you. Where are you from?
Originally from Zillionople, Pennsylvania.
Wait a minute. Rub that by me again here.
Originally from Zillionople, Pennsylvania.
Zillionople, Pennsylvania.
That's correct.
Is that a lovely name for a place?
Sure is.
Tough to spell.
Oh, it is. It was
Ready?
tough to learn.
Yeah? Ready to play?
I certainly
Okay,
am.
good luck.
Let's go.
Take a look over here and we'll show you one of the prizes.
This elegant kidney-shaped knee-hole desk is crafted of fine mahogany solids and veneers, topped in dark brown bonded leather with 22-karat gold tooling and backed with shelves for book storage furnished by Sly.
Thank you, Gene. We'll show Beth Ann and Greg where we'll find that prize. At number 18, there will just be the one wild card in this game, players, because, of course, we have the 5 bonus car seconds. We have the cash button. It's now up to $700. We have a vacation in Jackson Hole. Great skiing vacation. Beth Ann, our producer wants you to spell... No, I don't want to spell Zillionople because I can't spell it. I don't know how to do that. I figure it starts with a Z.
It does. It's Zelienople.
Thank you very much. Write that down.
Thank
You
you.
never know when that's going to come up on a trivia quiz. Now, Beth Ann, you get to select.
I'd like to start with number 3, please.
Cash
Oh,
pot,
that'd be just
700
nice.
bucks.
Nice. Let's see if we can match that under number 10.
Jackson Hole
Oh,
Resort
boy.
Vacation. Greg,
Okay, let's take a look at number 7.
wild card. Guess where Greg is going? What's he going to
I think I'll
pick?
go to the trip under number 10.
Number 10 for the Jackson Hole Resort Vacation. The other one at number 20. Slide it into position, gentlemen. And now we will open 3 doors for Greg Street. Pick again.
Okay, let's take a look at under number 22.
Car phone.
And let's see if we can make a match under number 11.
Man's complete wardrobe. Just what a man in the Air Force could use. Beth Ann,
Okay, let's try number 14. See what's in that side.
oak rocking chair.
Oak rocking chair. Well, how about the match on number 1?
No, there's
Oh,
a
that'd
diamond
be nice.
bracelet. A little bit of jewelry there for you. Greg,
Let's take a look under number 9.
dishwasher.
And let's see if we can make a match under number 15.
Dartboard set. No match. Beth Ann.
Well, let's try number 21. And the
Green
green,
take.
take. What do we have under number 13, please?
We'll show you. It's a dishwasher. Greg,
Okay, let's take a look at number 9
dishwasher.
and the match under number 13.
You are right. Got a big reaction from your wife in the audience on that one.
Yeah.
You must not have a dishwasher right now. Let's open these 2 doors. Go again.
Let's go to the bottom under number 25.
5
that'd be
bonus
nice.
car seconds.
Be nice. And let's see if we can make a match under 21.
No. Green take. Beth Ann.
Let's see what's under number 16, please.
Car phone.
Oh, and I believe that matches 22.
You are right.
Oh, good,
Prize for the challenger's side.
good, good.
Good indeed. Open it up. Try it again.
I'll see number 2, please.
Green take.
And we'll match that under number 21.
You have it. Green take is coming your way. He has the
Fantastic.
vacation.
I will wait just a little bit, and then I'll take a vacation.
And then I'll take a vacation. You may not have an opportunity to do that. But
We'll
right now,
see, we'll see.
We'll see. Let's open it up for you. Select again, please, Beth Ann.
Let's see number 6
Diamond bracelet.
and match that under number 1.
Yes. Now, do you want to use the tape?
Oh, yeah, I'll take the Jackson Hole trip, please.
Okay. The Jackson Hole Resort Vacation goes on to Beth Ann's side of the board, and we open these 2 doors. Pick again.
Let's see what's under number 19.
Dartboard set.
And I believe the match is 15.
Dartboard set. Lady has started to put it together, and it's paying off for her. 2 more doors. Pick again.
8, please.
Cash pot.
And I believe the match is number 3.
Cash pot. You're on a roll here, Greg.
He is.
Boy, open it up. Select.
23, please.
Oak rocking chair.
And the match, number 14.
Oak rocking chair.
Beautiful. That's fantastic.
2 more doors swinging open for you. Select.
Let's see what's under number 5.
Red take.
The red take, how about number 24? Oh,
No,
dear
man's
me.
complete wardrobe. Greg,
Okay. Let's take a look under number 11
the wardrobe.
and number 24.
The wardrobe. That gives you 2 prizes again, and it gives you a chance to solve the puzzle. Go again.
All right. Let's take a look under number 17.
Red take.
And is the match under number 4?
No. Beth Ann.
Oh,
there's the
thank
bell.
goodness.
All right, hands on your signaling buttons. Get ready to ring in. We're going to start helping you out by revealing the puzzle, beginning with number 4. Beth Ann is in there.
Is it going into a nosedive?
Is it going into a nosedive? No, it is not. Greg, take a look at the entire picture and solve this puzzle. All right, hands on your signaling buttons. Remember, when the green light goes on, you're free to ring in. I'll help you out. We have G plus the hoe for go. Beth?
Go into a nosedive.
Does it go into a nosedive? Now she's got it. Yes. You had added 3 nasty letters, I-N-G, but you made out beautifully. Let's see you explain it on the board, and then we'll tell you about your prizes.
Okay. So we have the G with the hoe. G plus hoe is go, and the hen plus the 2 is into. With the hay plus the nose, and the dive is a nosedive.
Go into a nosedive, and Beth Ann didn't go into a nosedive. Greg, you did. That's unfortunate for someone who's in the Air Force. 1 strike only against you. We'll see you in the next game. So long. Beth Ann, you won a lot of prizes, and Gene is eager to tell you about them. Go for it, Gene.
A cash pot worth $700, a dartboard set, an oak rocking chair, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a dartboard set or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and a car phone, a small, lightweight, mobile cellular phone with such features as automatic retry, 100 number memory, and full 832 channel capacity, and a diamond bracelet. Part of K. Jewelers' classic collection, this elegant diamond bracelet, handcrafted in 14-karat gold. It sparkles with 5 brilliant diamonds, furnished by K. Jewelers, and a Jackson Hole Resort. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Jackson, Wyoming. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 7 nights at the Jackson Hole Racket Club Resort, where leisure and adventure go hand in hand. You may enjoy tennis, racquetball, swimming, and skiing, or relax by the fire in your private condominium, furnished by the Jackson Hole Racket Club Resort. And these prizes are worth $5,949.
Big win for Beth Ann. The car round after this. I just told Beth Ann we're in a rush. She said, I'll hurry. So let's put the 15 numbered squares up there, and you will have still the full 35 seconds, which is base
Excellent.
time. Good luck, Beth Ann.
Thank you.
Go for it.
Number 1, 2,
No.
3, 6,
No. Yes.
5, 4,
No.
7, 5,
Right.
8, 9,
Nope.
2, 11,
Yes.
12, 4,
Right.
10, 13,
No.
14, 8,
Yes.
15, 10,
Yes.
13, 1.
No.
9.
Oh, Beth. Beth, you had it. You had it. Oh, gosh.
Oh, my goodness.
Yeah, $5,949 in prizes. She's going to get another chance up here, I have a feeling. We'll take a break. Gene?
Some of today's participants may receive Penn, a performance match saltwater rod and reel system, a 25 GLS graphite lever drag reel and slammer fishing rod, furnished by Penn. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Next time.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.